One of these side hustles made someone $240,000 last year. Part-time, no degree, no office, and it is probably not the one you are thinking of. Before we count down, here is what made the cut. 3 filters. Every hustle had to pass all 3. First, verifiable income data, not Reddit anecdotes. Real surveys, tax records, platform reports. Second, accessible entry. You should be able to start within 30 days with less than $500. Third, scalable ceiling. We are not here for beer money. Each hustle had to have documented cases clearing 6 figures. This is not a get-rich-quick video, this is a get-paid-for-real video. And the number 1 pick will probably change how you think about income. Coming in at number 5, print on demand. Here is how it works. You design a product, t-shirt, mug, poster, upload it to a platform like Redbubble, merch by Amazon, or Printify. When someone buys it, the platform prints and ships it. You collect a royalty. You never touch inventory. The average active seller on merch by Amazon earns between $800 and $3,000 per month, according to a 2024 Jungle Scout seller survey. The top 10% clears over $6,000 per month. The real ceiling? There are documented sellers clearing over $100,000 per year with fewer than 200 active designs. The secret is keyword-driven design, not art skill, but search intent. The catch: competition is brutal in generic niches. Survival requires micro-niche targeting. Think retired electrical engineer fishing shirt, not funny fishing shirt. Startup cost under $50. Time to first sale, typically 2 to 6 weeks. Time to consistent income, 3 to 12 months. Print on demand is a slow burn. But once you hit a catalog of 500 designs, the passive income compounds. Number 4. Freelance video editing. The creator economy is not slowing down. There are over 50 million people who consider themselves content creators. Almost none of them want to spend 4 hours editing a 10-minute video. That gap is your market. According to a 2025 ZipRecruiter report, freelance video editors in the US earn between $25 and $75 per hour. Specialized editors, the ones who do short-form content for brands, regularly charge $100 to $300 per video. A single client paying $200 per video, 5 videos per week, is $4,000 per month. The platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, Contra, and direct Instagram outreach to mid-size creators. The fastest growing demand is in short form, YouTube Shorts, Reels, TikTok. These videos take 30 to 60 minutes to edit, yet clients pay premium rates because they drive algorithm traffic. You do not need expensive software. DaVinci Resolve is free. CapCut Pro costs $10 per month. Startup cost $0 to $300. Realistic monthly income $1,000 to $4,000. Documented ceiling over $120,000 per year. For editors with a brand client roster, the pattern interrupt coming in the second half of this list is significant because the top 3 hustles operate in a completely different income bracket. Number 3, and this one is growing faster than anything else on this list, AI automation services. Here is the premise. Businesses of every size are trying to automate tasks using AI tools. Most business owners do not know how to set up these systems. You learn the tools: Zapier, Make.com, OpenAI API, custom GPT workflows, and you sell the setup as a service. The income data is early but striking. A 2025 survey by Lemon.io found that freelance AI workflow consultants charge between $75 and $250 per hour. The average project scope is $2,000 to $8,000. One completed project per month at $3,000 is $36,000 per year, part-time. The demand: lead generation agencies, e-commerce operators, real estate teams, law firms. Anyone who is still doing manual, repetitive data tasks has a budget to automate. And right now, the supply of people who can build these systems is thin. The learning curve is real. You are looking at 60 to 100 hours of the dedicated study before you can confidently charge premium rates. Tools like Coursera, Udemy, and free YouTube channels can get you there for under $200. But here is what separates number 3 from the bottom 2. Once you have 3 completed projects to show, word of mouth accelerates everything. Startup cost $0 to $200. Realistic income by month 6, $2,000 to $8,000 per month. Documented ceiling, over $240,000 per year for specialists with a wait list. Automation services. Number 3. And the top 2 are where it gets genuinely surprising. Number 2. Digital products. We are not talking about an ebook that earns $4. We are talking about templates, toolkits, courses, and systems that solve specific, expensive problems. The distinction matters. A $20 ebook on productivity is a lottery ticket. A $500 Notion template system for real estate agents with documented ROI is a business. The data. Gumroad reported in 2024 that the top 10% of active creators on the platform earned over $78,000 per year. Among those selling products priced above $200, the median annual earnings were over $112,000. The top performers in this category treat it like product development, not content creation. The winning formula is not what to create, it is who to create for. The highest converting digital products target professionals with expensive problems. Examples that are selling right now in 2026: SOPs for healthcare practice managers, $500 to $900. Financial model templates for startup founders, $300 to $700. Client onboarding systems for marketing agencies, $200 to $400. The startup cost is essentially zero. You build it once and sell it indefinitely. One sale per day at $200 is $73,000 per year. Startup cost, zero. Time to first sale, 2 to 8 weeks. Documented ceiling, multiple cases of solo operators, clearing $300,000 per year. Digital products are borderline unfair in terms of leverage. You do the work once, the product works without you, and yet, number 1 operates on an even more powerful model. Number 1. The highest paid, most scalable side hustle in 2026, Productized Consulting. This is not general consulting, let me be precise. Productized Consulting is a structured service with a fixed scope, fixed price, and fixed deliverable. You package your expertise into a repeatable offering. Clients buy the package, not your time. The difference from normal freelancing is everything. A generic freelance consultant bills hourly and is capped by hours. A productized consultant charges $5,000 for a 30-day go-to-market audit and can run 3 simultaneously. 3 clients at $5,000 per month is $15,000 per month. On the side, the data. A 2025 Productize Yourself report found the solo productized consultants in fields like sales strategy, financial operations, HR compliance, and marketing analytics earn a median of $144,000 per year. The top quartile exceeds $260,000. The model works because clients are not buying your time. They are buying an outcome. Businesses pay premiums for certainty. A fixed price audit is less scary to a CFO than an open-ended hourly retainer. What expertise qualifies? More than you think. 5 years in any professional field, accounting, HR, logistics, marketing, software, healthcare operations, is enough to build a productized offering that solves a defined problem. The case study. One of the best documented examples is a former corporate HR manager who built a 30-day compliance audit service priced at $4,000. She ran 6 clients in her first full year while working a full-time job. That is $24,000 in 12 months part-time. By year 2, she had left her corporate job. By year 3, she was at $220,000 per year. The startup cost is zero. The barrier is not technical, it is mental. You have to believe your expertise has market value before the market tells you it does. That mental shift is the hardest step, and it is also the only step that matters. Let us put this all together. Number 5, print on demand. Passive, slow building, ceiling around $100,000 per year. Number 4, freelance video editing. fast to start, active income, ceiling around $120,000 per year. Number 3, AI automation services, high learning curve, very high ceiling, documented cases over $200,000 per year. Number 2, digital products, zero startup cost, infinite leverage, ceiling essentially unlimited with the right positioning. Number 1, Productized Consulting, the highest median income, the most scalable model, and the one most people overlook because they undervalue what they already know. The common thread: every hustle on this list requires a skill or a system, not just a platform. Platforms change, skills compound. If you are serious about building real income outside your 9-to-5, start with 1, not 5. 1. Pick the one that uses a skill you already have. Productize it, price it for outcomes, and ship it once before you optimize it. Subscribe if you want to see the math on how to price any of these at a premium. Every dollar has a story. We will see you in the next one.